student employment in Pakistan has troubled me for a couple of years now, and I always wanted to do something about this issue. And with the Google Solution Challenge, I finally got a chance to do something for it using tech. And what we did with my team is that we developed a platform called Tulba, whose entire purpose is to connect students with jobs, and just students. This platform is specifically designed to eradicate student unemployment in Pakistan. Once you are in, you will be greeted with a dashboard where all your jobs will be displayed, and all you have to do is click on the job that you want to apply and then tap that apply button on the bottom side of the page, and your profile which you mentioned in your application form would be submitted to that employer. So that's it, student connected with the job. And what we aim to do through this platform is to normalize student employment in Pakistan, because it is considered sort of a taboo and people who work for themselves are sort of looked down upon, and I don't accept that. We should not accept that, because student employment is a very important source of income for personal projects and your hobbies. So I want this culture to be very common in Pakistan, like how Careem and Uber have normalized the transport industry in Pakistan. Tulba aims to do the same for student employment, and we hope to see good results in the coming years once we launch this product. And all we can ask from you guys is that you just have to cooperate.